Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. If you're excited about the future of smartphones, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best foldable phones in 2024. These cutting-edge devices have redefined what a smartphone can be, blending the convenience of a phone with the productivity of a tablet. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade to the latest trend, stay tuned. Let's dive right into it. Number 5. OPPO Find N3. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the OPPO Find N3. OPPO has been making waves in the foldable phone market, and the Find N3 is no exception. With its compact design and smooth hinge mechanism, it offers an excellent balance between portability and screen size. The Find N3 features a 6.5-inch outer display that's perfect for one-handed use, but unfold it and you're greeted with a stunning 7.1-inch AMOLED display. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or multitasking with apps, this large screen gives you ample real estate to work with. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 12 GB of RAM, this foldable is a beast when it comes to performance. You can play graphically demanding games, edit videos, or multitask without a hitch. And let's not forget the 50MP triple camera setup, which takes crisp photos in any lighting condition, giving you a professional level photography experience. One of the standout features of the OPPO Find N3 is its ultra-durable hinge mechanism. OPPO has worked hard to ensure that this phone can handle thousands of folds without any issues. Plus, the IPX4 water resistance gives you peace of mind knowing it can survive light splashes or rain. Overall, the OPPO Find N3 is a solid contender in the foldable market, especially if you're looking for something compact yet powerful. It's perfect for those who want a foldable experience without the bulk of larger foldables. Coming in at around $1,500, it's one of the more affordable options on our list. Number 4. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. At number 4, we have the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Motorola has done an incredible job reviving its iconic Razr brand and giving it a modern, foldable twist. If you love the nostalgia of flip phones, but want all the power of a modern device, this one's for you. The Razr 40 Ultra features a 3.6-inch outer display, which allows you to quickly check notifications, reply to texts, and control media without even opening the phone. This is perfect for those who want quick access to essential features on the go. But when you do flip it open, you get a 6.9-inch POLD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through social media to gaming feel incredibly smooth. The ultra-vibrant display makes content pop, and it's perfect for watching videos too. With a 32MP selfie camera and a 50MP main camera, the Razr 40 Ultra ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and detailed. The flip design also allows for creative photography angles, especially for those hard-to-reach selfies. If you're looking for something that's both stylish and functional, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, priced around $1,299, is a fantastic choice. It combines retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Number 3. Google Pixel Fold. Next up at number 3 is the Google Pixel Fold. Google's first attempt at a foldable is a strong one, bringing the power of the Pixel brand and combining it with a foldable form factor. It's designed for those who want the ultimate Google experience in a unique, foldable design. With a 5.8-inch outer display and a 7.6-inch inner display, the Pixel Fold delivers a tablet-like experience in a pocketable design. The ultra-smooth display and narrow form factor make it ideal for multitasking, media consumption, and even productivity on the go. Google's Tensor G2 chip powers this foldable, making it not only fast, but also incredibly intelligent. Pair that with Google's top-notch camera software and a 48MP rear camera, and you have one of the best photography experiences on any foldable device. The Pixel Fold brings the same exceptional camera performance you'd expect from any Google device, with unique modes like astrophotography and night sight. On the software side, the Pixel Fold is built to leverage Google's ecosystem. It's perfect for multitasking, with apps optimized for split-screen use. Plus, it comes with 5 years of security updates, ensuring your device stays secure well into the future. Priced at $1,799, the Google Pixel Fold is on the premium side, but if you're a fan of Google's software and camera performance, it's worth every penny. It's a foldable phone for those who value both form and function. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Coming in at number 2, we have the latest evolution of foldable tech from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung has been leading the charge in foldable innovation, and the Z Fold 6 continues to push boundaries. The 6.2-inch outer screen is great for everyday tasks like messaging and quick browsing. But unfold it, and you're met with a massive 7.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display that transforms your phone into a tablet. This makes the Z Fold 6 ideal for multitasking, productivity, and media consumption. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and 16 GB of RAM, the Z Fold 6 handles even the most demanding apps with ease. Whether you're editing documents, gaming, or watching movies, this phone is a powerhouse. And thanks to Samsung's One UI, multitasking feels natural, with apps optimized to run side by side. The Z Fold 6 also shines when it comes to entertainment. With stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support, it offers an immersive experience, whether you're gaming or streaming. Starting at $2,000, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is certainly an investment. But with its industry-leading hinge durability and an IPX8 water resistance rating, this foldable is built to last. Number 1. OnePlus Open. Finally, at number 1, we have the OnePlus Open, a phone that's redefining the foldable experience in 2024. OnePlus has taken the foldable market by storm with this innovative device, offering top-tier performance, an impressive display, and a durable design. The OnePlus Open is designed for users who want it all. A high-performance phone with the versatility of a foldable. Let's start with the display. On the outside, the OnePlus Open features a 6.3-inch AMOLED display, perfect for one-handed use, messaging, and quick tasks. But the real magic happens when you unfold it to reveal a 7.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED display. This inner screen is incredibly sharp and vibrant and supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything from videos to gaming buttery smooth. OnePlus has engineered the Open with one of the most durable and smooth hinges on the market. The hinge is almost seamless, and the phone feels sturdy whether it's folded or unfolded. Plus, the hinge is designed to withstand hundreds of thousands of folds, ensuring long-term durability. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM. This means lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing photos and videos. It's a powerhouse that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Now let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus Open boasts a 50MP triple camera setup that delivers stunning photos and videos. From ultra-wide landscapes to crisp portraits, this camera is built for creativity. OnePlus has also enhanced its night mode and HDR capabilities, allowing you to capture sharp, vibrant photos in any lighting condition. Another standout feature of the OnePlus Open is its multitasking prowess. You can run multiple apps side by side, drag and drop content between them, and make the most of that expansive display. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, the OnePlus Open makes productivity and entertainment seamless. The OnePlus Open is also a beauty to behold, with its premium aluminum frame and sleek finish. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece. And at $1,799, it offers incredible value for all the features packed into this device, competing with the best foldables out there. So, there you have it. The top 5 best foldable phones in 2024. From the compact and sleek OPPO Find N3 to the multitasking powerhouse of the OnePlus Open, there's a foldable phone for everyone in this lineup. Foldable phones are no longer a novelty, they're becoming the future of mobile tech. And these 5 are leading the way. Which foldable phone is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.